Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions and Windows build because elevated rights and compatibility matter. Without them, Task Manager may refuse to open. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+S to force it. If that fails, run Tasker as administrator to bypass profile issues. Also make a quick correlation check. Note any recent driver installs, Windows updates, or app changes, since conflicts often cause hangs. These first steps isolate whether this is a permission, user profile, or system change problem, and set you up for deeper fixes. Next, repair core files because corruption commonly breaks Task Manager. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health. These commands replace damaged system files and often restore functionality. Once complete, create a new local user and log in, since profile corruption can stop Task Manager only for one account. Meanwhile, open Event Viewer and filter for errors from Explorer, exe or Tasker to pinpoint failing services or DLLs. These actions narrow whether the issue is systemic, profile-specific, or tied to a third-party extension. Finally, restart Windows Explorer to refresh Desktop Shell. If that restores Task Manager, a shell extension was likely the culprit. If not, perform a clean boot to disable startup items and services, then re-enable selectively to find the offender. Reinstall or roll back drivers and undo recent app installs if identified. And if these steps still fail, use System Restore to a known good point or choose Reset this PC while keeping files. Key tip: if Task Manager is still unresponsive, boot into safe mode to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.